Canola conversation, the past in 1009. We be good one and we don't make a house till we got a station. You don't know, say Johnny was inspiration, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, I bring it unto you so you feel what I felt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, like a boat against sun, the slackness I go melt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, I bring it unto you so you feel what I felt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement. Oh, 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 oh. It's the words of wisdom, give me what we got. Remember I said endless love that can't stop. My love belongs to you, it's a spouse, but at the end of the day you're all I've got. You know a lot of people really want to see us stop. Being together only night to the highest top. But we don't care, so we ain't gonna stop. But don't forget, say I'm missing one, say hard box, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, I bring it unto you so you feel what I felt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, like a boat against sun, the blackness I go melt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, I bring it unto you so you feel what I felt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement. Oh, 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 oh. Words of wisdom, encouragement, words of wisdom, so you feel what I felt. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, I bring it unto you so you feel what I felt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, like a boat against sun, the darkness I go melt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement, I bring it unto you so you feel what I felt, girl. The words of wisdom, the words of encouragement. Oh, 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 oh. Words of wisdom, encouragement. Words of wisdom, so you feel what I felt. Yeah, you don't know Words of Wisdom album coming out soon. You don't know album Words of Wisdom featuring Fireless MJ Pro V. Straight up. You don't know Mr. Ice, so I can see it. You don't know. Lot of things going on. Crazy things happening in the world.
So what's the difference between you guys and the new coming artists coming out and the old ones? What you guys are bringing new to the table?
Well, we are bringing crazy things, you know, because you see, our inspiration comes from Jah, which is the Almighty One, and going by being able to get up and quit crime, violence, and talk about underage, talk about love, making love to the girls. You know, crazy things happening because we, you know, we talk about reality things, you know what I'm saying? Reality things, but we say crazy things happening, so don't know crazy things happening with the boys and the girls doing some crazy things. So check out that one as still. I got to let you know.
Mr. Ice, MJ, crazy things.
Crazy things are happening in the world. Crazy boys, crazy girls. Crazy things are happening. Crazy things are happening in the world. Crazy boys, crazy girls. Crazy things are happening. Crazy. You ask for your name, him tell you we intense. I can press at him, you shoot out the zinc fence. You ask pro figure, who has squeeze the trigger. You can't go style bad man as your nigga. You ask MJ when the capacity at spray. Him not in a nothing with the bag of lele. You ask Mr. Ice, boy you better realize. The gun we are supposed to shoot no bullseye cause crazy things are happening in the world. Crazy boys, crazy girls. Crazy things are happening. Crazy things are happening in the world. Crazy boys, crazy girls. Crazy things are happening. Crazy things we know says, crazy things we know chat, crazy things we know eat, can't cook in and make fat, crazy girl be mad. Yo, you don't know we say crazy things.
Yeah.
Say big time, isn't it? Don't know. You know, say crazy things that come with this series, isn't it?
So, Mantis, how old was you when you decided you wanted to be a rapper?
I was old enough. When I decided to be a rapper, when I came to America, I said I was 18. That was about 98. You know what I'm saying? But I took it serious, you know, about time my daughter was around, 6.
So you're saying your daughter changed your life? Okay.
Biggest influence in my life. It's my girl.
Okay. So you're taking. What about you, Mr. Nas? Same question.
Me, that's straight up a demo. I started writing and like, actually I started singing like when I was like 8 on the church, singing on the choir and all kind of crap like that and shit. But you know, when I reached like 17, I started like writing shit, doing my little freestyle, you know, crazy shit.
Yeah.
92.
Crazy things.
Yeah, 92, that's when I pick up a career, you know, take it as a career, you know, to be a music man, a musician, you know, because I like to play with strings, especially G string.
Three strings, huh?
Easy.
Yeah, but right now,
It's the ice.
you know, taking it to the next level, we have a lot of things coming up, tour coming up.
Ice.
Yeah, tour coming up next week, 27th of July, I'll be in the streets, Jamaica first. Jamaica to Bermuda to Barbados, Antigua, back to
From
New York.
SC to Brooklyn, it's all good. Smoking weed out of Dutchess on the backwood.
September 1st, September 10th, we'll be in